somebody on the live and defend it straight. Oh yes, we know why he was going to Israel, this and that. He said this and he said that, and he was going over there for this and that and turn and forth, right? Wanna phone up blogger them or content creator on the PNP page and I defend that. All right. When he went to Israel, Nigel was there and Leachin was there. You tell me now, as a prime minister, go deal with diplomatic move. That's a diplomatic move. None of the diplomat, Kamina, none of them not dead there.
None of them not dead.
Well, Leachin are do that.
Ask him.
Why me I raise it because I tell us I raise it already. I'ma say it was a defenders of the earth. From one of the PNP, that's I tell you I don't compound the page anymore. But that's how I don't have a rate a certain way. But I really not do it. Defenders of the earth defend that mission. I said the mission was orchestrated and it was detailed about what was going on, and that's a lie. And the reason why I know it wasn't detailed, even without paperwork, a blind and Ray Charles with glasses can't see it. Why? Because no diplomat underneath them banner was not there.
Sure.
So you tell me now, if a diplomatic move like that, and you have Elijah as a finance minister, right? Was there, and a private sector. Listen, I mean, yo, I swear sometimes I think that Jamaican people, them lost them brain cells.
True.
Them lost them cognitive focus and positive response in them brain, because we don't know, like you just sit down and blind to the things that are going on in the country, and when people raise the issue, you come and defend something where you yourself either you don't know, you choose not to listen and learn, or you defend the wrong. It's either. So it's either you defend the wrong, or you just don't know, and you're blatant ignorant and refuse to learn. And this is why them always are dampened down upon the diaspora, because obviously the diaspora, the outside, and I see more wagwan in the country than the people that were living in the country, and I face it every day. It's like starvation or poverty or frustration and blind them brain. I don't know, it's like people tired for thought now. It's like, I don't know, it's serious. And this is why there was an uprising in Kenya, because the people are tired for talk, tired for see the atrocity, and nothing is done. It's like you're beating against a dumb wall.
Aye.
My next thing is, everybody's so blatantly and stupid and sit there and watch Mark Golding walk around with this nimwit, we don't know where I do, no qualification for him position, walk around and give Mark Golding a tour. Where is everybody? Everybody a ghost? Don't Mark Golding need for just eliminate him whole entire team and get a fresh team with eyes?
Yeah.
Because something is wrong there. Why after the fact he had to go on his social media page and take down all them videos and pictures? What is going on? This is crazy.
People need to wake up to it.
So now you're making him look bad because he's walking around with this nimwit. What up on social media every day, I bash him. And number two, forget about the social media bashing. He don't know the job. He's not qualified for the position him in. And obviously it's a favoritism position him in the first place. I have this man again, a whole tour with the next prime minister. Oh Jesus.
That big old side of my chopper me there attack.
Yes. Seriously, something is wrong.
But something think a fake picture.
Fake picture and the Prime Minister and the few Prime Minister. Mr. Golden, I walk with him and I talk with him. You know when something edit?
Yeah.
I don't know when the AI yet, man. And I swear. I don't understand technology yet, and it's a deep factor. And this is a lot of people gonna get fooled if Jamaica should really use the technology of AI in the country when it come on to the next election, a lot of people gonna get carried away, and it's a serious thing to think about. Very, very,
But
very
which?
serious.
But which? So Mark Golding don't know who him. And the people where they pan inside every day, they not tell Mark Golding said this whale. I don't want good somebody. Every day this whale. He was one of them where say Mark Golding doing wife at 13. He was one of them. Him big night. That whale, what they call him chopper media. That sprat. That dolphin too good. That shark, mermaid. He was one of them. He was one of them. That was bashing Mark Golding right
And
through.
this is why I'm saying, from the moment you jump on the construction scene, nobody that was around before the camera start roll could pinch him and say, boom, bam, two.
But
Nobody.
they're not getting a tweet. Just see Mark
But what
Golding
may I
now.
say is, this is a
Eh.
security issue. Other than just say the nimwit when I know him responsibilities and not qualify for the job, they're so close to with Prime Minister. It's a security issue in my eyes. This is all my speculation. This is all in my opinions. It's just for educational purposes, and it's not for anyone to use as them resources. Go and do your own fact check. What I'm saying is, this to me is a high security risk because you this close to somebody has screen record, but it's okay. I don't care. You this close to the Prime Minister is a security risk. And the Prime Minister I'm talking about is Mr. Mark Golding.
Yeah.
The security risk.
Twitch,
User,
I want
please
to give me
mute your
like
mic.
that sprat, you know.
User, mute your mic.
One thing with me in a Twitch.
Where
I
the
don't like that
where
sprat,
the
you know.
dancer? Rush, mute him. Vincent, mute your mic. Cause me, I say is Vincent, mute your mic. Me, I say is if him never know and nobody, about 10 people go there with him when big up, you know, say this person, that person, that person, that person was on the tour with me. None of them.
Yeah.
So to me, him couldn't walk in a trap.
Yeah.
For Mike, somebody Mike still.
But you are going now Twitch. You see Mark Golding is a man with good heart, you know, and he don't really have a people in the heart, you know.
So this is what. So all
I
right,
don't like the Prime Minister in a way.
all right.
We love other people, you know.
All right, stick up in. I'm not gonna say nothing more after this. The fact
Nah,
that
man, you have to
you
continue to say
just
something, man.
the fact that you just said that means you're trying to say he knew who the guy was then. But
Eh?
because him don't have a bad heart, him never have him up, him still do the tour with him. Is that what you're trying to say?
Nah, man, me not be saying me in must know who, but is a man who walk with anybody, you see me?
No, me not say Mr. Mark Golding is to be at fault. What I am saying is his security team and the people around him. He's supposed to
true.
be held accountable for that because he could have been walking in a trap because that guy he was walking with is an operative, is an enemy of the state. He's the guy that is behind the counter protests. Everywhere the diaspora go. He's the same guy that's bashing him. So what I'm saying is, if you are saying you didn't know who he was, your security team should have fact checked everybody on the compound before him get there. So the fact that he
True
went
that.
there, didn't know who he was, according to what you just said.
Mm-hmm.
And he had to go back on his platform and take down all the video and all the picture of them. Something is wrong.
Oh, Mark Golding, go back and take them down.
All of them. Something is
Yeah.
wrong.
So that means they never know who them Twitch man.
How I'm supposed to
They
know that?
definitely never know who. And the
Me
people that were
can't know
toward
that.
Mark Golding people, them brother, where they give him advice, they should let him know.
You still not get the drift, you know, and this is the thing why me not like talk 6 times, because I don't know if you know understand me I say. This is a security risk. Do you know how serious that is? It's a security risk.
Yeah. True.
Because number one, the man is not qualified for the position. It's a by given position him get because of him position with the blogger thing and boom bam bam. And if I know so, bring out your qualification.
Yeah.
Bring out the qualification where you have for run such a big project. And some big engineer, some top engineer project, that's enough. And then an idiot
Yeah.
project, that's enough.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, something is wrong. I tell you, something wrong. And for the fact that he had to go back on his platform and take down all the videos, all the pictures, something went wrong. Something went wrong. And this is foolishness where somebody from, people from outside could have seen the video and the pictures of him and pick out the man. And nobody in them circle.